You're searching for an attorney to represent you in your medical malpractice, accident case, or wrongful death case. Would you like to learn what the most important question is that you need to ask each of these attorneys? Come join me and I'll tell you. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The most important question you need to ask each attorney is, who's going to be handling my case? Now, why do I say that? Well, you can go to a big law firm, have nice big fancy offices, and I can pretty much guarantee that the attorney you're going to be meeting with when you first walk into the office is not going to be the one who handles your case on a day-to-day basis. And in all likelihood, the first attorney you meet with on that very first visit will not be the one who tries your case years later. Now, when you go to a small law firm, and 2 or 3 attorneys, or a solo practitioner, I can pretty much guarantee that the attorney that you do meet with will be the one who handles your case on a day-to-day basis, especially in a solo practitioner's office. And in a solo's office, you can pretty much bet that the attorney you meet with on the very first visit not only will be the one who handles your case throughout the course of the litigation, that could be 2 or 3 years, but will also be the one to handle your trial. Now, if you're okay and comfortable with the fact that other attorneys are handling your matter during the course of your litigation, then you should go to that type of firm, whether it's a big firm, medium-sized firm, or whatever firm that is. However, many people prefer to know exactly who's handling their case on a day-to-day basis. Why? Because when they have questions, they want to be able to pick up the phone and say, "Hey, Mr. Jones, can you tell me exactly what happened last on my case?" And rather than the attorney running to the computer to check to see what was done last and what happened the last time a conference was held, the attorney who's been handling your case from the very moment you walk in the door will know exactly what went on. They don't have to run to the computer. They don't have to check the file. Why? Because they're the only one who handled your particular matter. So that's why it's critical when you go into an attorney's office and you're deciding which attorney and which law firm to represent you. You have to ask them the question, who's going to be handling my case from start to finish? So why do I tell you about this? Chances are you have questions and concerns about your potential matter. And if your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.